Welcome to the Mad Max syndrome. Y'all have seen those movies on the Mad Max? Something has happened and there's been a complete breakdown in law and order because they got rid of the police, or almost. Some of those episodes had the police, but man, they were up against it with their culture of the time. Well, you defund the police, that means there are no police because you decided we didn't need them anyway because we're all so good, we don't need to be monitored by law enforcement. We don't need the police. We're all so good. We're not going to bother anybody. No one's going to get hurt just because you don't have any police. Really? Woo! From what I can tell, their message is dethrone God, defund the police, and we'll replace God and the police with depravity. That's right out of the Karl Marx playbook. You say, who? That's Karl Marx. Take over the political system with revolution. You're going to have to dethrone the police and you have to dethrone God. You have to get religion out of the equation. Get in the streets. Burn it down is what you tell them until they bow their knee to you. And then you'll have a socialist country. Bernie tried to do it without revolution. No, let's go socialist without the revolution. Karl Marx would have told him, it's better to revolt. It takes too long to try to do it peaceably. So Bernie tried it, didn't quite make the cut. But there's a lot more than him that's leaning toward it. You say, this is an attempt to socialize the complete country. They want to get rid of capitalism. That's what they want to get rid of. They're using Karl Marx's playbook. The university professors their father is Karl Marx. They're telling the students, that's why when you look out there, most of them are below 40. Most of them below 35, 25 or 30-year-olds, just out of college, just graduate work, college, universities. The Democratic Party. So I kind of call this one more time. You're going to lose your democracy if you start kowtowing. When you hear people say, get rid of God, get rid of the police, and pick up all the weapons that the population has, gather up their weapons, take them back, burn them. Disarm the population, get rid of the police, and get rid of God. And we've got them. Go down to Karl Marx, you say, well, who was navigating him? Satan. You want to see hell on earth? Get rid of God, get rid of your weapons, and get rid of the police. You got hell on earth, buddy.